Hello, everyone, and welcome to PrepBee. My name is Piyush Pratik, and I'm going to be your mentor, your friend, philosopher, and guide in this exciting journey towards CAT 2025. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this incredible journey of yours, which can be truly life transforming. In this lecture series, I'm going to take you step by step from ground zero all the way to what it takes to score a grand percentile, a great percentile, in fact, in CAT 2025 examination. A little bit about myself. I'm a SPJIMR graduate, class of 2023. I appeared for CAT 2020 and scored a 99.25 percentile. And since then, I have had the fortune of mentoring 100 plus students. Many of them have also secured positions in top B schools of India. So when I say that, I understand that this journey is long and it takes a lot of effort from the aspirant side. I do understand what you are going through right now. And it's not just coming from my personal experience. I've also watched hundreds of students aspire for CAT, prepare for CAT, and finally build the CAT on the day. Before we begin, I have a small request to make to all of you. And the request is very simple. For the next 7 months, devote yourself to CAT preparation only. And believe me, you will be rewarded generously. Just look at this. This is the screenshot for the placements of the top B school, top-notch B schools. Can you see this? I'm Ahmedabad PGP placements, average 34.36 lakhs. I am Bangalore, average 35. SPJN, average 33. I am Nagpur, the baby IIMs, in fact, they are also offering a decent placement, 16 to 17, the average salaries. So you have absolutely got nothing to worry about. Okay, just devote the next 7 months of yours towards CAT preparation journey. And even if you get a decent percentile, 95 plus, 97 plus, you will be rewarded very generously in your life, in your corporate career, which is about to follow your, B school journey. So today we are going to plan out our journey for CAT examination. Now, I do understand that at this juncture, you may be thinking, where the hell do I begin my preparation journey? And I understand this beginner's paradox. Where do you begin? And it certainly depends upon a lot of factors. Whether you are a fresher or in the final year of the college or are a working professional. How good are you with numbers, logic, reading and comprehending passages in general? And how much time can you devote actually preparing for CAT 2025? And believe me, this is a paradox that not only you alone are facing right now, but all the people who are preparing for CAT, especially for the first time, they are in the same boat. And what's the solution to this? Okay, so before beginning your journey, I suggest that you establish a checkpoint first as to where do you stand right now. Okay, and this stands true whether you are a working professional or just in the final year of your college, or just a fresher just out of college. So the checkpoint, to establish your checkpoint, solve any previous year paper. I mean, take a previous year paper from the last 2 or 3 years, any one slot, solve it within 2 hours, and see not only your score but the ease or difficulty with which you were able to handle the questions or the paper. What topics you felt naturally comfortable with? What topics challenge you? Were there any subjects in general that you thought that, I am not very comfortable with this subject at all? Were you able to sit down properly for 2 hours? That's another checkpoint. All right. Once you solve the paper, it will give you a good understanding about number one, what can you expect in a CAT paper? What topics do they test you upon? What uh, what does the general syllabus look like? Okay. And two, how comfortable are you with dealing with these topics? And in fact, it will also give you a sort of a reflection as to whether do you want to continue on this journey or not. Okay, the because however simple or difficult the paper may be, you have to embrace this journey for the next 6 to 7 months at least once you start. Okay, so it's a good checkpoint to have. Solve the paper and make a judgment call whether you want to continue on this journey or not. If yes, then what are your what are your weaker points? What are your stronger points as of now? What topics or what subjects do you need to work upon rigorously? What topics are you generally or naturally comfortable with and you can handle those easily? So it will help you get give yourself a checkpoint and make a judgment call for the same. Finally, the timeline. We are sitting in the mid of April right now, and cat day, I think it will be on the last Sunday of November. So you have roughly 7 months to prepare. Okay, and mind you, there are a lot of holidays which come in the fag end of the year as well. So preparation time, it generally reduces to around 6 months or 6.5 months or something. Whatever the case may be, you cannot skip the first part of the preparation journey, this one, which is this one. Completing the full syllabus. You have to complete the full syllabus. We are we are coming to the details of how to complete each and every section in the upcoming videos, but in general there are three sections: quants, DILR, and VRC. We are going to go into details of all of these in the upcoming lessons, upcoming videos, but don't skip any don't skip any topics. That's the nutshell of my discussion over here. We are going to cover each and every topic that is relevant to CAT examination in extreme details, free of cost on YouTube, and I encourage you to take advantage of that. Okay. Next 1.5 to 2 months, from August start to maybe mid of September or something, you have to give sectional test and maybe a couple of full length mocks as well. What this sectional test does is you get 40 minutes of time to solve one quants paper, only one quants paper, or one VRC or one DILR paper. Now, giving sectional is very different from giving full length mocks. We are going to go into mock analysis, etc. later on, but for now, just understand that for the next 1.5 months, you are going to give more focus on sectional, less focus on full length mocks. For the next 2 months, maybe September mid to October mid or something, or maybe October beginning, the first week of October, you have to give full length mocks. Attempt at least 3 full length mocks per week. You will be roughly around 15 mocks by the end of October, or by the mid of October or sorts, and then you will be able to analyze your weaker points, your stronger points, etc. in much more detail, and that journey we will talk about in depth later on. For the final months, from October mid to maybe till the CAT day, you have to give again 3 to 4 full length mocks, solve the previous year papers if you haven't already, and then go for revision. So that's what in general the timeline looks like, and that's what we are going to follow. For now on PrepBee, we are offering you the first cycle, the full length preparation of every topic that is relevant to CAT. So stay tuned to our channel. Hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well.